Behold, this is another elevator at the Malorie Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator also, like the other one I used to videotape. See that? Right over there. Here it comes. Here's a mirror. Hi. 5. That's north. Same fixtures as the other one, yeah. This is a motor. Yeah, it's a Delaware, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go back to G. See? This lantern doesn't work. See a cam view. Thank goodness. This cam is so cool. Use your certificate, use your phone, capacity is 300 pounds, use a Delaware elevator logo in it. Fun. Here, G. Look at that. I like Montgomery fixture so much. I have no idea if they have an Adams in the other one as well. And those Montgomery lamps are so cool as well. Suppose. That's it.